like Princess Leia. So the materials you will need are 4 rubber bands, 2 scrunchies, and 1 brush. So what you do first is you want to brush your hair nice and smooth. And after that, you want to use your hairline as a tool and just work your way and just separate the 2 parts of your hair. And next, you want to take a rubber band and you just want to use the brush as a tool and you want to just brush it open and put it in one pigtail. And fasten it, and you want to do the same thing to the other one. And after you've done that, take your scrunchies and put them on, and make sure to cover the rubber band that you used to put up your hair. And the second one. Here's a tip. Make sure that your scrunchies and rubber bands blend into your hair color so that your buns won't look strange. Okay, so next you want to take your hair and you want to twirl it around that scrunchie and leave a little bit out, like that. And you want to fasten the bun with your other rubber band. And you want to do the same thing to the other one, like that. And there you've got your 2 buns like Princess Leia. You can do it with 1 bun too, with all of your hair. You can do it with 1 bun, but I'm doing 2 buns. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button below.